So what does Possum Bourne Motorsport do? We get asked this question a lot of times, and people are surprised that we do work on a wide range of JDM and European vehicles, as well as supplying a whole range of performance parts. So we do everything from basic servicing to full-blown high power builds. And today we're going to show you through the workshop and show you all those little areas and show you everything that we can do for you. So first thing, you need to know what kind of vehicles we actually work on. So we do work on the VW Audi group cars, which include like the GTI, the Golf Rs, S3s, S4s, S6, S8, all the Skodas, including the Octavia RS range, Seat Leons. We also cover the Ford EcoBoost range, as well as a whole lot of other performance hatches, like the Hyundai i30. We cover the Kia Stinger, Mitsubishi Evos, the Subaru range, including WRXs, STIs, Legacies, Foresters. We also cater for the Mazda 3 MPS, Mazda 6 MPSs. We also cover the Toyota 86, the newer and older Supras, and the JZX Chasers, as well as of course the BRZ. We work on a whole lot of different Nissan models as well, including the 350 and 370Z. A lot of people don't know that we are servicing and maintaining all sorts of vehicles. So we perform the regular servicing, your regular repairs, maintenance, cam belt changes, bush replacements, clutches, anything to keep your vehicle going at its best. For servicing, we do use only quality parts. We use Motul performance oils that can either cater to a standard vehicle, or if your car is modified, we can recommend the correct oil to suit your level of modifications as well. A lot of you might be wanting to service their own cars, or you're somewhere down the country. We can also provide you the parts that you need so you can perform the service at home. If you are interested in any performance upgrades, we can help you with that. We already have a whole range of staged upgrade packages available for a lot of different models. If we don't have a specific package, we can create one for you, and that includes performance power upgrades as well as suspension, brake upgrade kits. Anything that can make your car perform and handle better. We can offer a whole lot of upgrade packages, and these include performance and power, suspension, handling, braking, as well as clutches. If you'd like to do this work yourself, we can also provide you with all the correct parts so you can do this work at home. We have a huge amount of stock on site, so I'm quickly gonna go through the type of brands and products that we have here, and you can come and follow me through upstairs. So we do have a range of filters, including K&N and oil filters, everything that you need for your regular servicing. But we also stock a range of spark plugs, which can often be problematic to find the correct heat range if your car is modified. If you are increasing your power, it is recommended to run a colder heat range spark plug, and that can be hard to find. Fuel system wise, we got everything here from your fuel pumps, injector dynamics, injectors. We cover the radium range that has surge tanks, drop-in hangers, fuel rails. We've got fuel pressure regulators, basically anything you can think of. We also do a whole lot of turbo smart parts, which includes your popular wastegates, internal and external, the blow-off valves. They do have a fuel pressure regulator range. We've got gauges, and we've got a whole lot of silicone joiners, reducers. And next, we also cover braking. So we have your upgrades for the street, for the track, and it includes pads, discs, brake lines, and the fluid to match. In the maintenance department, we cover a huge range of parts, including your popular like cam belts and water pumps, everything you need to keep your car well maintained. In the engine department, we cover forged pistons, forged conrods, heat studs, bearings, gaskets, anything that you'll need to build a nice performance engine with quality parts. We've got a huge range of AN fittings and hoses that can tidy up your engine bay, help you plumb up your fuel or oil system, and just get everything up to the next level. We're also starting to stock Perrin and COP parts, which some of them are just behind me. That include like turbo intake pipes, intakes, any dress-up components that will help you brighten up your engine bays. And there's plenty more, so this is just a small snapshot of what we've got. Aside from all these, we also developed some of our own products, which the most recent one I've got in front of me here, which is a throttle body adapter to suit the Subaru range, and it will allow a any sort of HD clamp to be fitted directly to the electronic throttle body. We're constantly updating our range and improving our website, so keep having a look on there. If there's anything that you can't find, we're more than happy to make special orders and get the parts that you need. Process West is a popular brand that we supply, and you can see I've got a Subaru intake manifold here, which is a nice piece of kit. Also all the intakes, front mount intercoolers, top mount intercoolers, and we also cover the Ford Focus Fiesta ST range that Process West offers. NVIDIA performance exhaust, high quality stainless steel systems that we offer, and they're extremely popular. We've got a wide range that covers Subaru Zevos, we've got 350, 370Zs, the BRZs. They're just starting to get into the Euro market as well, where they cover the Golf Rs, GDIs, S3s. So we've increased our stock here so we can supply them straight to you. Now we are in the engine building department. So this is where our two engine builders perform their excellent work. They both have a vast amount of experience on all sorts of engines that cover European and Japanese performance makes and models. We also design solutions for engines that are not commonly upgraded, like the Subaru 6-cylinder engines that are very similar to a Porsche engine. So Porsches are more than welcome here as well. If you have an engine that needs some work done, be it a standard rebuild or a high power upgrade, come and talk to us and we can give you solutions that will work for you. Clutches are a very common part that does need modification or maintenance, so we can offer you standard replacements as well as upgraded single and twin plate, as well as even triple plate clutch kits. You can see a very nice twin plate extreme clutch next to me, and they really make a difference as they make the driving very smooth. You will hardly notice that it is an upgraded clutch, but it can handle a huge amount of power. On the clutches, we install them on a lot of our builds, or we can fit them if your clutch is in need of getting upgraded or starting to slip. If you want to do the work yourself, we can also send the clutches out to you. Last thing we haven't talked about is tuning. So we can do ECU reflash as well as aftermarket ECU tuning of all popular makes and models. We have done a separate video on our 9-step tuning process, which I will link below. We are a drive-in, drive-out shop that can help you with all your servicing, maintenance, upgrade and parts needs. I hope you found this video informative and you learned a bit more about what we do, and we're looking forward to seeing you coming into Possum Bourne Motorsport.